Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Maria, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys 5 goals I have for my Poshmark business. So if you're new here, I've been doing Poshmark well over a year, but it's been like this, a total roller coaster. I've been so inconsistent, and I'm talking about not even paying my closet any attention for months. And then this urge to be like full force will come upon me, and I would start paying my closet some attention. If you look way back into my videos, you will see that I did some Poshmark videos. During that time is when I took it really serious. But I'm a mother of 3, if you are not aware, and sometimes the juggle is completely hard. I am not gonna lie to you, especially with everything going on in the world. It's just hard to even catch your breath sometimes. So now it's time for me to get focused. I just want to see where this could go, and without me trying really hard, I will never know. So if you are a stay-at-home mom, or if you're anyone out there who wants to make extra money, follow me on this journey. Let's see where it takes us. My first goal is to be consistent. That's the first thing. I just have to be on Poshmark consistently. I have to list, I have to share, I have to promote. That's what it is. If you're not consistent with something, it's going to be hard to see growth. 2, revamp my closet. And this is the whole purpose of this journey and why I'm taking you guys along. I want to revamp my closet. I'm just not satisfied with it, and it's going to take time. Nothing happens overnight, but I want a closet that's full of life, that brings people back, that allows people to make bundles. Like, I don't want them to find one thing and never find anything ever again. So I want like items. I want items that you can mix and match. Things like that. So I just want a total revamp. It's going to take time, but I'll get there. Secondly, treat this side hustle like a job. If I treat something like a side hustle, it's going to remain on the side. But if I treat it like a job where I have to show up, and that's what my problem was. I wasn't showing up. I just gave up at one point, but you have to show up in order to see results. That's the bottom line. I also want to take better pictures, because if you are shopping and you look at an item and the picture is dull, dingy, and there's just no life to it, are you going to purchase that item? Believe it or not, I did have items that sold and my pictures weren't great, but imagine if they were great. You want people to gravitate to your closet, and having awesome pictures with great lighting will help. I want to get organized. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. My 5th one is to get organized. Kind of have a schedule. This way I have a direction when I get up in the morning, and I'm just not all over the place. So it would be maybe share my closet in the morning, list at least 3 items a day. If I find that I can't do that, because again, I am home with my children, so it could get very hectic, but my goal is to at least list 3 items a day, and then maybe during the weekends go out there and check, source, check for sales and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and film another video, which is a haul video. So if I look exactly the same, that is why. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you at my next one. Bye.